as unpopular as Kevin Samuels might have been, there is a lot of things that he said that I agree with. Let's get into it, friends. Today's video is inspired by none other than the late, educated, controversial, self-help guru himself, Kevin Samuels. And I know what you guys are thinking, looking at this title like, bitch, what are you talking about? I was scrolling on my YouTube shorts and I came across this video of Kevin Samuels.
Classy women don't lie. Weave is a lie. Makeup is a lie. Waist trainers are a lie. Spanks are a lie. Girdles are a lie. Stop lying.
Honestly, when I first saw the video, it made me laugh. But then I got inspired. I don't hate any of these male self-help gurus, and I don't think they hate women. Let's not get into that because that's not what this video is about. Anyway, I wanted to take this video and put my own spin on it, give it a little satire, a little parody, and become this liar that Kevin Samuels says women are when we have all these fake things, right? The nails, the hair, makeup. I want to do a transformation. This is my hair in its natural state. These are my natural nails. I have no makeup on. Ignore my broom. I know you guys are like, did a tornado happen behind her? I just bought a house 2 months ago. Nobody cares, but I'm just in the process of like renovating it. Hopefully by the end of this video, I will be a glam baddie and my room's gonna be done. But let's get into this transformation of becoming the liar that Kevin Samuels says women are. See, I just blew my hair out. I'm about to go around to my cousin's house and get my hair braided down for the wig. She's from New Orleans. Don't do that. Don't do that. Remove spritz. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair and then I'll come back. You know, I know you can see the lace, but I still feel like I did a really good job. The blonde hair looks really good. So today I'm gonna go to the nail shop and then we'll do our hair and makeup, and I'm gonna do an outfit because in the video he does say this.
Your appearance. You must dress like a woman. Skirts, skirts, and more skirts. Skirts and dresses, skirts and dresses. Get rid of the flip-flops. Get rid of the sandals. Shout out to O'Shea, sandling it up. Dress like a grown, dadgum woman.
We're gonna wear a completely different outfit than what he recommends. So no skirts, no dresses. I'm still gonna keep my nails really short because I do like to work out. I have to be mindful of what I wear because I just got surgery, and that video will be going up for you guys as well. But I don't quite want to show you guys what I got surgery on just yet. That's what I want. That's what my nails look like. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told that. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I'm going to do my makeup. I took a little nap. Face is washed and cleansed. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Usually I like to use dark brown for my eyebrows, but for this specific makeup look, I'm gonna be using chocolate. We're gonna go in with the She Glam Birthday Skin Primer. You guys know this is me and I's holy grail. It literally makes your skin look airbrushed. Probably didn't have to use this much, but oh well. Damn right we take turns being wrong. I know I look white and pasty, but that's completely normal. Now I'm gonna move into concealing my brows, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. For the top of my brow, I'm gonna go in with the Yummy Skin and the number 7. Definitely I use the Yummy Skin and the number 6 if I ever want like a no makeup look. And I show you guys that in my ID makeup video. It provides the perfect flesh tone, full coverage. I'm using this beauty blender and I'm blending it all the way down to conceal my eyelid. I'm just gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer again. You guys see that right here? All this puffiness here, create like a triangle and then a line. Same with the other side. I'm gonna take my damp beauty sponge and just blend out everywhere except directly under my eyes. We kind of want that to dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in again with that Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm gonna just put it right in the corner. And then instead of waiting, I'm just gonna go straight in while it's still wet. And I'm gonna make this face. I'm telling you, the lady in the TikTok told me to do this. So now that we got that all patted in, the next thing I'm going to do is take the Fenty Beauty. I really don't feel like going in my beauty room. Stop it. They are in here. They were behind the door. Like, girl, this is so dirty. So we're gonna take another pink one because I love this. And I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty in the color Cashew. Let me give it a little tap, tap, tap. And then pat that in. I don't know how this is ending up being a tutorial, but this is the Nazanin Kavari brush and the number 2. And now I'm gonna go in with Neutrogena Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the color 85 Honey. You guys, they no longer sell this in Walgreens. They have all the other colors and it stops at 80. It doesn't go up to 85. And I am not the darkest person, so if y'all don't even sell my shade, that's just ridiculous. I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer in Toasted. Doing a little tap, tap, tap. I'm gonna take this Morphe color in Trendsetter. I'm taking my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and Toasted again. I don't want to do something too out of the norm for what I normally do when I do my makeup. You guys have made it this far because this video has to do what Kevin Samuels perceives is women lying. Leave in the comments down below the Pinocchio emoji and let me know in the comments down below how often you like to wear makeup. Do you prefer how you look with makeup versus without? Do you prefer to go barefaced most days? Are you one of those people who only does their makeup when there's an event or a holiday? Or are you someone who has like an everyday makeup routine? Oh yeah, not bad. So I'm using the Ardell Wispies, the short ones that look super natural. For lash glue, I use the eyelash glue. It looks like hair glue. You literally get it at the beauty supply store. I just squeeze it a little. And then I take the Kiss Magnetic because it has a brush. I'm gonna take this headband off and we're just gonna bronze up the forehead. For setting spray, I'm using the NYX Matte Finish. Y'all know I love this stuff. And then the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Lastly, I'm gonna add blush. I use this Blush Mallow that I got from this beauty supply store. It's so ghetto, y'all. I need to get some new blush, but this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte in 65 Seductress. And now I'm just gonna take the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color 003 Moon. We're gonna just plop that bad boy right on top. This is it for the makeup, you guys. It looks very, very pretty. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll take down my hair. It's getting dark outside, so I can't really show you guys what the makeup looks like in natural lighting, but as you can see in bathroom lighting, it looks really good. I feel like it's very blended. So this is like my go-to makeup. I'm gonna take my hair down and we're gonna get started on this bad boy. That lace bond that I used on this side has not moved. As much as I love the hair nice and big and fluffy like this, I'm going to do some quick little curls. guys, so I finished my hair. My hair is all done. I'm just gonna spray it with this Tresemme Freeze Hold Spray in the number 5. And I'm currently wearing this, but in the video he does say skirts and dresses, so I don't want to wear a skirt and I don't want to wear a dress.
Get rid of the yoga pants and anything that shows your natural ass. Get rid of things that show your midriff or your stomach. We don't need to see all that.
I think we're gonna do like a little bit of a risque pant moment. Let's go into my closet. I want to do blue because I just feel like when you have blonde hair, blue looks good. Ooh, this bustier is really pretty. We'll try this blue bustier. Please excuse the mess that is behind me. This is what I decided to go with. The bust is a little bit bigger, but this video is about women being liars. I never wore this. Like, y'all, I seriously cut the tag off today. I literally feel like Cinderella. This is so cute. I would actually wear this. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. This top is from Fashion Nova. I don't want to put words in his mouth, but when I think about most of these male gurus version of a high value woman, I feel like they don't consider them shopping at Fashion Nova. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't add that in because I feel like people are going to be like, what does that mean? I feel like Fashion Nova gears more toward baddie than it does like modest. Very different than skirts and dresses, skirts and dresses. I really had fun filming this video, you guys. I hope you guys don't consider it boring. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really love this hair. I'll link it down below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe and join this beautiful, marvelous, magnificent, wonderful channel. Till next time, bye. Here's my outfit of choice. Let me know in the comments down below what I should put underneath my mantle too. Do not say a fake fireplace. Anything else.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to see wonder. She on me.